Why is my eyebrow out of place? Was it out of place this whole time? Oh well. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing something I haven't done in a very long time, which is a DIY. I really thought that I needed a ring light because sometimes I want to use natural light, but then I don't have the proper backdrop for it, so then I'm kind of stuck in this position. So for situations like this is exactly why I need a ring light. Whoa. So with the ring light, as you can see, I can film now in the dark, and I did this all by myself. I did some research online to see how others have done it, and I kind of just went my own way and did this for about under $30. Yeah, listen, I'm a very cheap person, so making this was very easy, and it was amazing. I was so happy with the results, and I still am. So if you're interested in knowing how to make your own very cheap but working ring light, keep watching. So the supplies that you're going to need for this are a metal wreath, aluminum foil, LED strip lights, and scissors. Make sure that the inner side of the wreath is facing towards you, because that's where you want the shiny part of the aluminum foil to be facing. Next, what you want to do is cut strips of the aluminum foil and just wrap it all around the wreath until it's completely covered. And you want to make sure that the inner part of the wreath is facing towards you, as well as the shiny part of the aluminum foil. That way the light can bounce off the aluminum foil and give you the full ring light effect. Next, what I did was just tape down the back of the aluminum foil. You don't have to, but I just wanted to, so if you want to, go ahead. Next, it's time for the LED strip lights. So what you want to make sure is that the black cord is facing outwards. It's on the very outside of the circle, so it's easier for it to be plugged in. And then all you have to do is stick down the LED strip lights all around the wreath 3 to 4 times until it's fully covered, and you're done. And carefully cut where it indicates where you're supposed to cut it, or you can ruin the rest of your strip lights, which you don't want. And that, my friends, is basically how you make your very own cheap DIY ring light. Looking at it this way, it's not the most aesthetic looking, but all that matters is that it does work. But yeah, the one thing I did not mention in the supplies that you need, because it's not really a supply, but you are going to need an adapter to turn this ring light on. And the box usually does write what kind of adapter you need, so I'm just going to show you what I have. Alright, so the adapter that I'm using, if you can see, is one with settings at the bottom to change the volt. And when you are getting an adapter or looking for an adapter for this, make sure you get the adapter that the box for the lights recommend, because you want to make sure that you have enough power to turn it on but not too much power for it to blow a circuit or something. So make sure you look at the input, output, current, volt change, and all of that, and then be very careful when you turn it on. If something explodes, I'm so sorry, but you might have done something wrong. But if it turns on successfully, then there you go, you're done the ring light. Usually you can find these adapters around at home, and the one I found at home is this universal AC/DC adapter called Polytron, and it works amazing. There's the little knob here at the bottom where you can have the volt changed, and I'll show you exactly why that's amazing. But right now it's at 12, the very highest volt, and then if I go down and down from 9, 7.5, 6, 4.5, and 3, I can change the settings of my ring light, and it's amazing. But yeah, that's basically how you make your very own cheap DIY ring light on a budget. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!